Hello everyone. Let me start by introduce myself. I am Aziz, and I will hereby present my project. The setup is as shown in the packet tracer diagram. As per the project requirements, I have used a minimum of 10 devices consist of routers and switches. Altogether, they are 3 routers, the router 1 and 2 and 3, and we have 7 switches that have been used as it can be used seen in the diagram. Alongside, there are also some terminal for users and some service that have been set up to explain quality of service. We decided to implement VLAN as specified by the requirements, and altogether in our setup there are 4 VLANs, namely 10 and VLAN 20 and VLAN 30 and VLAN 40. The 10 and 20 is on the right side here, and the 30 and 40 on the left. Once the different VLANs had been created, we proceeded to configure the different devices. We configure the switches on both sides the same. We set up the access mode on the two different interfaces there the computer are connected, which is mean these interfaces. And we set up trunk mode on the interface that connects to the router. As I show you, this is the interface. We are set up mode trunk in the right, and also the other one interface 03, which is one here. We are made the mode trunk. Now for the router configuration, I've set up encapsulation of both my sub interfaces that act as a default gateway of the different VLANs. In router 3, we're gonna show you how we are created the encapsulation. In the interface 00, we are set up the encapsulation for the VLAN 10, and also we are created VLAN 20. Also we are made it in different switch. In switching 1, we are created encapsulation on VLAN 30 and also in VLAN 40. Once this has been set up, now the computers on the different networks should be able to ping each other. Once the left side has been completed, we will proceed the same on the right side. Now I'm gonna ping from PC1 to PC7, which is 192.168.40.2. For communication purpose, I will be setting up routing protocol, and in our case we have decided to use OSPF. We will be setting OSPF on the three different routers so that the router get update automatically and all the different VLANs can communicate with each other. As for the servers, they are on a different network as well. For quality of service, I have used three servers and two of them web server and one is the DNS server. In this main example, I will be displaying quality of service in term availability. One of the web server is the main one and other is a backup one. The same applies for the network diagram. On the right side there is the main side of the company and on the left it is a backup in case any physical damage or natural calamities is experienced in the main branch. So we can also cut down the main cable on the web server and see that users are still able to reach the backup web server. So here I'm gonna show you how's the quality server. Right now we're gonna to access the main server website. Okay, we can right now access it. If we go to so here we take off the cable of web server main and then we can go to still reach the site. Okay, and also I'm going to take a different. And also the last one we can to check it here. Okay. In our quality of service are classifying various type of email traffic as what we configured here. We are configure the email class map email and we are set up the protocol POP3 and SMTP in, into one class map which is used for email. The quality of service policy map makes 128 which is either displayed here of bandwidth available to email traffic. Also, we use it NBAR network-based application recognizing is being used to recognizing HTTP traffic, and that traffic is placed in the web class. As I show here, we are configured already from all of our router. So to conclude, we have used 10 devices including switches and routers as per the project's requirements. I have also uh, fulfilled the requirements in the term of usage of VLANs and 4 different VLANs have been set up. For quality of service, there is a backup server in case the main one crashes so that this does not affect business or availability, and also there is a remote backup site in case the main branch experience any technical issues or physical branch.